Hey guys, it's Debbie with Driftwood and Shine coming back on now. Everything's cooled and and everything, so I just wanted to come and show you. So we're going to start with the pecan praline bars. I'm going to turn you down so you can see it. This is the pecan praline bars, and you just break them apart just like that. See how nice and thick they are? And they're kind of crunchy. You just break them apart, and even the pieces like this, guys, that right there is just good. It's like a pecan with praline on it. But you just break them apart. They are so good. And look at the, ooh, so good. So good. But see, with using this parchment paper, they just come right up like this. You just break them up. I'm going to try to break them up real quick so we can move on. Now, the ones that don't have as much, they crack just like this. They just break up. They're just way thinner than these. I like I said, I like mine thicker and more, you know, with all the goody stuff. Y'all just ignore blue in there. Y'all share this out so everybody can see what all these wonderful recipes we cooked look like. Not right now. Wait, I'm not live, naughty head. Blue in here wanting a cookie while I'm live showing them. Anyhow, we're just going to put them all out there. This plate almost is not big enough to hold them all. Oh, you can't even see them on the plate. Let me move this. There now. I've got just a little bit, but see, you've got tons of the pecan pieces in here too, which I've still got a big old piece of praline. I mean, a big old piece of bark. Call it bark. My bark's just a little thick because that's how I like it. I'll leave that piece like that. But anyhow, there's all that is good stuff. Just put it in a Ziploc bag and you're good to go. Let me get me a rag. Wipe my hands of all that goodness. Okay, and there's our bark. Here's our cookies. Red velvet crinkle cookies. These are what Blue was wanting. Guys, let me just show you. They're kind of crunchy on the out, not crunchy, but they have a, but look inside. Look up. Something right there on my fingernail. They are so good. So good. Okay, I wanted to show you our crackers and show you that they are still crunchy. You hear that crack? If you can hear over Wow Man. See? They're still crunchy. Having all that oil does not make them not crunchy. Sonny. Can somebody get Wow Man? He went and shut the door while I was in the hallway. Okay, and then here's our cake. And I did, like I said, I left it in the thing. But all you have to do, I need a little, let me get a little saucer. Get a saucer to put it on. Just cut down through there and just scrape it up like that. And look at that. See them pecan pieces and stuff in there? Oh, it's going to be good. Let me try it. Let me just try it and let's see. I've tried everything else, but I have not tried this, so let's try it. That's good, guys. Wow, that's really good. That's real good. And it's moist. And where the little holes are, where the stuff went down in there, it's really good. Okay, this is my little doings. I'll turn it down so y'all can see. I'm sorry I turned you down that lost thing, but this is all 4 of the ones I've done. Now Sunny is gonna make some sausage balls, and she'll come back on live with y'all to do that. I don't know if it'll be tonight or in the morning or when, but she'll come back on and do that. And then I do plan still to come on. Well, internet's not working so great tonight, partly because he has the modem internet here, and it's real overcast outside. So, but anyhow, y'all spread this out, share it so everybody can see all this beautiful stuff. These red velvet crinkle cookies are so good. So good. But anyhow, that's it for my part of the snacky snacks. And like I said, Sonny's gonna make some sausage balls. That's what Jeff likes. And she's still got to show you her table. She forgot to bring her any napkins or buy any napkins, so she's like, shoot, man, I don't want to show it without napkins, but she can still show it. It's just what she bought and set up, and it's pretty. So she'll be back on later. Y'all share it out, and thanks so much for being here, all right? Love you guys.